You know, the red state message, I know you do it in the hotline.
Now, Solomon, he's talking about his own father. Only closely is
Like, what about you?
well.
And then I got the flu, and it just like I stopped for a while, and then books and YouTube only got me so far, and I got frustrated with the banjo, and it's like so I started playing more guitar because you can play everything with the guitar just by strumming. With a banjo, you've got to do finger rolls. And
now I'm going to take home the terribles. You know what? I won't have to go to my local grocery store for a week.
From now to then, it's real country variety on Mountain Country.